Alam mo ba kung bakit hindi ka pa kumikita ng malaki sa online business mo? It's because you're not selling enough. Nung nagsimula ako sa online business, ganun din ako. Sobrang busy, sobrang dami kong ginagawa. Pero ito yung totoo. You can be busy all day, pero kung hindi ka nagbebenta, wala kang income, wala ka ding business na mabubuo. Sa online business, guys, hindi sapat na marami ka lang na ginagawa. Kailangan mag-focus ka sa pinakamahalagang bagay. Yun yung selling. You're not making money because you're not selling enough. So these are my 3 tips to sell more and make more money. Tip number 1, mas kumausap ka pa ng maraming tao araw-araw. Palagi mong tandaan na sales is just a numbers game. The more you talk to people, the more na mas marami kang makuklose na sale. Kaya sa online business, kailangan mo mag-message, mag-post, mag-connect sa mas maraming tao. Sinesharean mo ng opportunity or products mo kung gusto mong lumago yung business mo. Tip number 2, show the value, not just the product. Ipakita mo yung value ng offer, product, opportunity na sinishare mo, hindi lang yung mga features. Always remember, people don't buy the products, they buy the results. Ipakita mo kung paano makakatulong yung product or opportunity na ino-offer mo sa buhay nila. Tip number 3, fortune is in the follow-ups. So you just need to make more follow-ups. Marami kang kinakausap ng mga potential na mga clients, pero 100% sure ako na hindi lahat bibili sa una mong explanation or presentation. Pero kapag consistent ka sa pagfa-follow up, for sure marami kang mako-close na sale. So kung hindi ka pa kumikita ng malaki sa online business mo, ito yung palagi mong tandaan. Stop being busy with the wrong things. Focus on selling, talk to more people, show the value of your product, not only the features, and follow up until they say yes. And that's how you're gonna win in online business. Kaya kung gusto mo pa ng mga ganitong klaseng contents at success tips, follow mo ako sa lahat ng mga social media accounts ko, and share mo na din tong video na to para mas marami pa tayong matulungan na maging successful sa online business. See you in the next video.